Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer money from PayPal to your card in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned PayPal user or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring funds in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a PayPal account set up and a debit or credit card linked to it. In 2025, PayPal has streamlined its interface for even faster transactions, but the basics remain straightforward. Start by opening the PayPal app on your phone or logging into the website on your computer. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. That's where all your money magic happens. Next, locate your available balance and click on the Transfer or Withdraw option. You'll see a list of linked accounts. Select your card from there. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep in mind, in 2025, PayPal might have updated fee structures, so double-check for any charges based on your location or card type. For most users, transfers are quick and cost-effective. After entering the amount, review the details carefully. Hit Confirm to proceed. PayPal will process the transfer, and depending on your bank, it could land in your account within minutes or up to a few business days. Pro tip: if you're in a hurry, use instant transfer options if available. They might come with a small fee but are worth it for speed. One common issue to watch out for is ensuring your card is verified and up to date. If you run into errors, double-check your account settings or contact PayPal support. And remember, always transfer to your own card to avoid any security risks. There you have it. That's how you effortlessly move money from PayPal to your card in 2025. It's all about staying secure and savvy with your finances. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.